Hey gang, we're hiking on the Devil's Den Trail today. Seeing some beautiful waterfalls along the trail. Believe this is Devil's Den Falls right here. We're gonna show you some more. So Devil's Den Trail is a pretty rocky trail, but that's the way it is in the Ozarks, especially at Devil's Den. You can see spring green up is just starting. April in Arkansas. You gotta love it. You see a lot of really cool crevices and cracks in the rock that are pretty deep, so when you're up here on Devil's Den Trail, you want to keep an eye on the kiddos. Nice views of the Ozark Hill Country here on this hike. Things are just getting green. Neat crevice area right here. So this is the kind of a main event here along the Devil's Den Trail. Devil's Den Falls. And it's running pretty good today. Like all waterfalls in the Ozarks, best to see them after a good rain. Gang, we're just about at the end of our 1.5-mile hike around the Devil's Den Trail. The last piece of it goes along lovely Lee Creek. So you can look for a feature on Devil's Den Trail and the Devil's Den Waterfalls in NWA Outdoors probably sometime in May.